Everybody's talking about superfoods these days, but have you heard about guava? This fruit is about to change your health game. Guava is not just a tasty treat, it's packed with vitamin C, more than oranges actually. This boosts your immune system, helping you stay healthy and fight off colds. But that's not all. Guavas are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps your gut happy. Plus, it can help you feel fuller longer, making it easier to manage your weight. Got high blood pressure? Guava to the rescue. It's loaded with potassium, which helps keep your heart in check and your blood pressure in balance. And let's not forget the antioxidants. These little powerhouses can help protect your cells from damage and keep your skin looking youthful. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a guava. Your body will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy the goodness of guava.